Today I'm going to talk about how can you download a stock or forex or cryptocurrency to your Excel. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you step by step. We will use the Finage and they are providing the stock data, forex, cryptocurrency fundamentals and widgets, and you can also register in their websites. It's totally free and up to 1,000 requests per month. And let's sign up. Matt McKenzie at gmail.com and make a strong password and register. When you register, they call it its moon. It's pretty clever actually. Yeah. When we get to the dashboard, you can start free now and free API package. You have the free API package instantly. Okay. Now we have our own API key and you can just click and copy. And they're also giving some endpoint. It's pretty easy. US stock, forex, crypto, and stock AOD historical data. You can just make an example requested by clicking over here. Yes, now I'm opening my Visual Studio Code. I created a new file, data.py. And also, these are two must install packages. If your computer doesn't have these packages, you have to install with these codes. Okay, let's start implementation. Import requests and import pandas for Excel connection, of course. Now program my API key is open curly bracket and I'm opening to my Moon dashboard and copying, just click your API key and paste it. Is that easy? Okay. Okay, the next one, when I'm open the execute the script, I want to ask me the symbol name, which symbol is Apple, Tesla, which one I want. I want to really, okay. The next one, it has to ask me to start dates, to which dates I would like to start to catch the data inputs again. Okay, it's called start dates. Okay, the next one, it says end dates and inputs. Okay, and dates. Let's make it clear. Okay, the final one. Now I want to get response from the request. Request.get. Yeah. Now where will we get this data? I'm opening the and stock market aggregate because I want to open high, low, close, volume in that way. And I'm just copying the endpoints from here and paste it the inside of it. I will modify it because I will get the everything from the above. Multiply 1 because I want that one. The time is day, but you can make it minutes, seconds, or day, hour, week. In my case, I will use day. I'm deleting the curly brackets. Okay, 1 day. Now it's start from. I'm gonna use close that one from symbol. Gonna use that one and plus. Yes, because I wanted to ask from me. And I will also delete this. Okay, stock plus symbol. Yeah, now it's correct. It will get symbol from the up and then 1 day and then from 2 parts plus start date and plus open it, close it, here we are, and plus and date and plus, yeah, let's take the API key from API key. I'm gonna use that one. Yeah. To sum up, guys, I will just get from the Finage documentation an endpoint, and I will put my all variables above and here. Okay, that's all. Let's make the print part. Prints. Let's call it total results. Okay. And from here, str. Now I'm going to take the JSON because it's response to me, it's JSON way. Now I'm gonna turn this one is total results. That's all. Okay. Let's add an plus over here because it's a variable, and remove that one. And it's also, it's unnecessary. I'm checking. Okay. Indentation errors for me. Okay, that's perfect. Checking also here. Okay. Now I'm continue. Let's create a list because I take the JSON from the up there and push over here. It's empty. Now for each item, I'm creating a for response.json. Open it, and inside of it, I'm pushing the results I'm getting from the up. Okay, perfect. Now JSON elements, create an open brackets. Okay, now I'm checking the Finage documentation. Here you can find the details. It's O mean open, high, low, close, and volume, and T mean it's timestamp. You can clearly copy, or you can just use that one. In my case, I will just check and write it from here. Let's make it small, and let's make it small again here. Okay, perfect. Now, if I want to open high level, let's make it like that. It says open its item O, because it's called it O. Okay, next one. It's high item. It's H. Okay, the next one. It's what is that? Open high low. Call them low. Yeah, let's make the indentation from here. Yeah, perfect. It's look better, huh? It's me. Why are you hating? But I like that style. Okay, now let's call it low at L. In my case, I'm just using the short versions of the numbers, but let's select the close C. Okay. Next one is of course volume. Let's take the volume for data. Okay, it's called, I believe, V. Okay. The last one, it's dates. Let's take the dates from pandas. Yeah, pandas to dates time. In that case, guys, I'm changing because the Finage is milliseconds. Now I'm converting this milliseconds to normal dates. That's for. To date time, for this I'm using item T. It's mean timestamp. To units milliseconds. Yes, that is all. Now I'm closing to my curly brackets, and the last one, JSON, my JSON list appends in JSON elements. Yeah. Okay. And that one, okay. Let's call it in dates div plus pandas date frame JSON list to now we are converting to Excel from here actually to Excel. Let's take the symbol plus and create in that case I'm creating an XAML, sorry, XLS. I'm creating an XLS Excel file. Okay, checking for anything wrong. Yeah, I forgot one thing because it's creating a symbol plus. That is false part because I'm telling the index false. That means when we get the Excel files, I will show you from the beginning it says 1, 2, 3 for each data, but I don't want this. If you want, you can just put it true. That's not important actually. Yeah, I forget. Okay, I'm just checking to everything. One is also, let's make it response. Okay, yeah, here, and I also change that one. I will put in S here. S results. Let's make it here. And yeah, we have an error here. It's going to be units. Try. I'm calling the Python tree data.pa, and now he's asking me symbol. To check out the short version of symbol, the Finage has an incredible apps. You can come here in stock UI, and whenever you call it, for example, Microsoft's, and you can see every detail and news, and also the short version. And in my case, I'm using the Apple PL, and he's asking me start dates. It's perfect. Okay, let's call it, and it's also asking me another. Let's make it 1 month in my case. And yeah, it's give me 25 results. In my case, I created this folder, and yes, you can see I'm opening. You can also open in online Excel and your Excel. In my case, now we have in Apple open, high, low, close, and volume in Excel, and the all values. It's here. It's incredible, and you can create a really cool charts from here. Yeah, let's make it by chart. Yeah, you can easily make analysis with the data, and you can, let's check the close and volume and make it another charts. For example, that one. Yeah, these are the close and volume. That's really incredible, useful. You can also get in day by day and hours, and with Finage, and we did it with the free API. It's really incredible. You can create anything you want. And I'm also sharing their website and the links. You can get a free API plan and 1,000 requests per month and 1 daily updates, and you can easily upgrade whenever you are ready to go. It's really affordable prices. You can use it. And thank you so much for your interest. I hope you like it, and see you in another video.